So I'm gonna show you here how we will make a slip stitch in a started work. Usually I do a slip stitch once I finish my project to just make clean edges and sides, or to close my work. So for this one I have made a small piece. Now I have made a piece of a single crochet, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slip stitch. So I'll turn my work, and usually when you make a single crochet or a double crochet, you'll chain a certain number here, but for the slip stitch you don't chain anything. You simply turn your work, and on your first stitch, which is this one, you insert your hook, you pull the yarn behind through this stitch and through the loop. Onto the next one, you insert your hook into the stitch, you pull the yarn which is behind you over here, you pull it through the stitch and through the loop. Again, you insert your hook into the stitch, you pull the yarn through the stitch and through the loop in one time, like so. It's very easy to do. You just need to be a bit patient because the thread might not come with you easily like the other stitches. So this is simply the slip stitch. Very easy to do, and it makes your work neat most of the time. Hope you find it easy to follow. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.